everybody pala. But stay with your partner. Sit down. Okay, like this. Teacher Jim and I will... Sit down. Okay, step to the side at the same time. Okay? You have to keep yourself in front of your classmate. Okay? If your classmate goes fast, you have to go fast. You have to go fast also. If your classmate is slow, you have to go slow. Okay? But it's important that you are in front of your classmate. Not like this, ha? This is what not to do. Diba? Teacher Jim is going away from me. You have to keep together. Yes, move together and keep yourself in front of your classmate. Okay? Who wants to try? Me! Okay, Gab and Megan. Go. Marty, sit down muna. Okay, start here. Go to the door. Okay, ready?
Oh, wait, Megan. Megan, you have to wait.
Ready, get set, go.
You have to wait for your classmate.
Go back.
That's not
Ako. Again, you have to have naman together. Oh, again, go. Megan, antayin mo naman si Gab. Oh, go. Good. Step. Good. Okay, other way. And good. Good job. Very good. Let's give Megan and Gab a